JB Cycles, quick update, May the 25th. Okay, here's the S&P. I have the 4-week cycle in gray, and with vertical lines I have marked where we are now and in previous cycles. So we are about to finish the bullish phase, and what has the S&P done? It's like, ugh, yeah. Looking back, here we had momentum coming out from a correction or pullback, so didn't bother about the cycle low here. Here, turn down, here, turn down, weak. Managed the last squeeze, turning over, here already rolling over, here rolling over, here terrible. So this cycle is telling me it wants to go down here and reach my target around 3,600, around there. But I know from experience, I've been following this cycle for 15 years. I know that sometimes when you're oversold like now, and when you're just about to be rolling over into the bearish phase and get some kind of capitulation, then you get the squeeze and cascade of buy signals, and it cancels out the bearish phase in some way. So that could produce some kind of a bear flag and lower shoulder going up to the 50 MA. So that's absolutely a possible scenario. But anyway, what happens here? It looks too early to have the bigger summer relief rally. We should still have a lower low first. Either way, directly down here or at the next cycle high. I could be wrong, of course, but that's my opinion here. I don't like this line holding. That looks too bullish to me, given that we should be in an overall very bearish environment. So this looks too bullish, so this line should be broken, in my opinion. And I really like to see the selling momentum getting stronger and stronger, and then 1, 2, steeper, 3, capitulation. That would be my favorite, but often my favorite scenario doesn't play out. Hourly data, this is the Dow Jones, so it looks a bit different from the S&P, and the Dow Jones is stronger, S&P is weaker because of the Nasdaq. So yeah, the Dow has broken above this trend line, and I'm looking at my purple wavelet here, and this looks a bit tricky. There's a sell setup coming up here very soon, but I know from experience here, especially when we are at such a line and broken above, we have another well, say 1 day here to go. We could, in the first few hours here, that's tomorrow, we could see a squeeze up, and that momentum would make me step away from this sell setup, perhaps, because yeah, that's a breakout, and the downswing is perhaps not any good to sell, and you preferably would look for a B, C before you go after a swing high sell setup. So if we get some momentum here and we have a little dip and consolidate here, that would be rather a buy setup for a swing low and up for a swing high up here. So yeah, let's see. We'll know before the weekend, I guess. See you in the next one.